Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to create a attendance template for your employees or your team, whatever you call it. So this is completely a dynamic. According to a month change, you can update this sheet. So here I'm changing the month for your reference. I'm changing into January 2022. It was updated. So when it is a March, it was updated according to that. And the Saturday, Sunday was highlighted in different color code, and I was used with a different symbols. For present, I was using a check bar, and leave I'm using a cross mark. Holiday with a different symbol, and week off with a different symbol. This is the simple template. So now I'll showcase you how to create this. I'm taking a new Excel. Just I'm copying into this cell the value data values. Same I'm copying the holiday present leave details also. Just copy the same to next cell, same data, and give the header as employee name. Now we'll create the date over here. So I'm giving as 1st Jan 2022. I'll convert this into a different format. Go to format cells. Here custom, use custom as YYY. Okay. So here also we'll create the dates. I'm taking the same as first one, and the second one I'm using this +1. So now we'll use the day. To create the day, I'm using a text function. Select the value, comma, open double quotes, just type DDD and close it. Copy same formula to other cells also. I'm copying the same. I'm changing this format to date format instead of month and year. Go to format cells. Change the custom format as DD-MMM. 3 M's I'm using. Going to alignment and changing into vertical. So if you want to change any color of font, you can change it from here also, or you can use it from a top. So similarly, I'm changing for this also alignment. Format cells, going to alignment, and changing the alignment. I'm copying the same formula. I'm using till month end. The other data I have removed. So I'm just adjusting the sheet according to the it will be fit. So I'm going to view and removing a grid lines for a better view. And let's select the area and give the borders also, so that it will be in a good visibility. Right click, go to format cells and go to borders. So here I'm selecting this one, and the color fill I'm using this somewhat bluish shade, outer and inner. Press OK. So now it was created, and I'm merging this also. Go to home and merge it. Now we'll format the colors. So over here, go to format cells and go to fill option, select fill effect. So here I'll use this dark blue and somewhat lightish blue. This shade I'm using. Press OK. And changing the color to white color. White color, and changing the size, making it as a bold for better view. So selecting this date area and changing the color also. Go to format cells. Go to fill effect. So here I'll use somewhat dark red and light shaded red. White color. Golden, changing the size. Even for the day also I'm changing the colors. I'm using somewhat greenish color. Press OK and OK. So here I'm selecting from this color. So now I want the drop down list for P, L, H and week off. So for that reason what I'll do is I'll select this area and I'll go to data tab, data validation. So before creating a data tab, what I'll do is I'll showcase the symbols how I have created. Create a new sheet and put this as a settings. And the first sheet as attendance. Just take same. Here I am typing as the attendance code with the PL holiday week off, and the highlight days is Saturday and Sunday. So to create the symbols, what I'll do is I'll go to home. I'll go to insert tab. So here you will find a symbols. Go to symbols. So here text type is WIM things. Just use this one. So you will find the different symbols. So to give the present, I'm using a checkbox, the right checkbox. Drag down, you will find the so this checkbox I'm using. Just insert, close. And for leave, I'm using a cross mark. Similarly, go to insert tab and go to symbols. Change the text style. I'm taking a cross mark over here. Insert, close. And for holiday, I'm using a different symbol. If you guys want to use any other symbol, you can use it according to your requirement. If you don't want to use symbol, you can use with P or a L with the text only. That is also fine. That's up to your requirement. So I'm using this for holiday. and for week off also I'm choosing another symbol. So this is already there in my recent list, so for that reason I'm not searching and selecting from here. Just close it. Now we'll create a drop down over here. Just select the area. To create the drop down, go to data tab, select the data validation, select the list, and for the source go to second sheet and select your list of attendance codes. Press OK. So if you see now, when I am selecting, it is representing with P, L, this is holiday, and this is week off. But for me, I don't want to see in the form of a letters. I want to see in the form of a symbols. So for that reason, what I'll do is I'll copy this symbol first. I'll go to the area where I want. I'll select the area. Post that, going to home, going to condition formatting, create a new rule, select the second option, equal to P. Just go to format, go to font, and select the color from font. I'm using a dark green color over here, and go to numbers, go to custom formatting. So here what I'm doing is, so I'm changing the format of text. To change the format of text, I'm using a columns, 3 columns, because I'm not using any positive value or any negative value or any text. So here I'm going to use only symbol. For that reason I'm using a semicolons and pasting the copied value, the symbol type. Just press OK. Okay. So if you see now, it will be updating according to the text, but I was not selected the text format. So before that, what I'll do is I'll select this area, I'll change it to the style. If you see, the style was updated. So here also the different styles was updated, but I'm not looking for this style or this symbol. I'm looking for a this symbols. So that's the reason I'm using a condition formatting over here. Similarly, I'll copy the second value and I'll change the condition formatting for this also. Similarly, I'm using the same columns and pasting the value. Press OK and OK. And the third one, holiday, also copy this and good. You can use manage rules also. New rules contains, again equal to HO and format it. Font color, I'll use this color. Custom formatting. Paste the value. Press OK. OK. The next one also I'm copying. Condition formatting. New rule. I'm using this color and going to number, and using a custom format, changing the custom format for this also. Okay. Okay, so apply. If you see now all the symbols were created, what I'll do is I'll just make the font size high for a better view. What I'll do, I'll copy this format over here. I'll use the same and change the symbols. Now we want to highlight the Saturday, Sundays. So select the area which range we want the highlight should be there for Saturday, Sunday. Go to condition formatting, new rule, select the last one. So pick over here. So we'll use count if formula over here is equal to count if. So we'll go to setting tab and select the highlighted area. So I'm using extra space also because if we may change the area or days, so that's the reason I'm using. Post that, give the comma, go to attendance sheet and select the date range. Just remove the dollar sign before the row and go to format, go to fill and select the fill color. So which fill color you want that for Saturday and Sunday. Here I'm selecting this color. Press OK. Okay. So if you see now the Saturday Sundays were highlighted with the different color. So now we'll use the countif function over here also, equal to countif, and select the area, comma, select the value, just log this. So we have to log the column. For that reason what I'm doing is I'm logging before G as well as before this and enter the formula. So it will showcase you the value. Just copy the formula to next cells also. If you see now the values got updated here, 1 week off, 1 holiday, 1 holiday and 1 week off, 1 absent. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding a week off to this cells. If you see here, if I'm deleting any highlighter, it will change in the attendance sheet also. So here I have deleted Saturday. Now only it is taking Sunday. So this is completely automated. That's the reason I asked you to use extra cells, because if couple of users may be having a different week off, couple of users may be having a different week off. I'm just filling the week offs. See whether it is taking the correct number or not, will validate. So 5 week offs is there. 5 means it is calculated with the 10. So when I'm entering a 1, it is taken a 1. Now here I'm changing the date. Let's see how it is updating. So here I'm making it as Feb 2022. Will it change or not? We'll see. It is taking, but if you see on the last columns, it is taking with the March data. I don't want to see March data. Let's automate this also. Just delete this row. We'll use if function. Select this. If it is a blank, it should be reflected as a blank next one also. So just select the first date and quote with the double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma. Again use if function, and next is end of the month function. Then we'll select the date, log this, comma, 0, and close this formula. So if it is greater than or equal to, it should reflect with the first date plus 1, that is G3 plus 1. So why I'm typing is for a better view, comma. If the date is blank, it should be reflected as blank. The first date is blank, it should be reflected as blank. For that reason, what I'm doing is I'm quoting with the double quotes. Open double quote, close it, just enter it. So I'm just copying the same formula to other cells also. So the previous error was I have not closed the column. That's the reason it was highlighted. I have closed with the bracket and the end double brackets, that it was went away. Just copy the formula by using Control R. So now if I'm changing into February, it was updated. The other days was automatically changed. When I changed into March, it was updated for March. So this is January. So I have showcased the same January data. Here also what I'm doing is I'm using some text coloring and highlighting it for a better view. And this I'm merging and changing as attendance. So I'm typing as attendance template with the symbols, and you can use your colors according to your requirement. And then sorry, I was changed the text fill color. Right now I'm changing into a text color and using this format and increasing the size. So here also I want to use the border. I'll select this, go to format cells, go to border. I'm using this only outer line border, press OK. This is a simple attendance sheet creation. So you can use the symbols or you can use the text, whatever you want. You can use this and you can format your data according to your requirement. This is all about today's video, friends. If you like it, please click on a hit button. It will support me to create a more videos. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Click on a bell icon for more videos.